Financial literacy is an important skill for kids to learn because money doesn't just grow on trees. I think students need to understand how we use money, why we use money, being responsible with money as well. Banqer is such a great program for us here at Oakleigh South Primary because it gives the kids the freedom to learn, really. Banqer does a great job with money and financial mathematics. Parents love it, which is always a plus as well.
I usually describe it as a fun way to understand money.
I like how you get to have the experience to know what it is like in the real world. Managing money and everything, buying houses and properties, buying cars, insurance and everything.
It's really helped me to understand money in the real world better.
So Banqer has a variety of modules that you can open with complete flexibility for you. So at the start of the year, they've got their everyday account and their savings account. You can then open things like property, tax, superannuation. The kids love the games that we run on Banqer. They're almost competitive sometimes. So it's like, oh, I rolled a 4, I rolled a 7. So they sort of care about how their friends go as well. It creates a great environment in the classroom.
I think I've got about $200,000, but there's this one boy in my class and he's got like $1 million. I don't know how.
I have about 70K because I spent it on my house and my car, but I had 100, but that didn't go well. Don't buy pink Jeep. That's all I'm saying.
I think that it's really important to understand money in the real world because it can help you a lot, and if you don't understand it, you could face a lot of potential problems.
Yeah, I'm really looking forward to opening my own bank account. That way I don't have to give my money to my sisters.
The most important thing we use from a classroom management perspective, so having an everyday account, a savings account, it sort of teaches them, it's like they've got their own life, but then like their banker life as well. It just takes kids on a journey that would be similar to what happens in real life. Banqer is for everyone.